Hi, Jim Carson here, Blackstock Ford Lincoln, Orangeville, Ontario. Today at our mod shop, Bad Dog Mods in 670 Rydell Road, and we have just finished our first leather interior install in a 2022 Maverick. This one happens to be a hybrid. Just delivered a couple of weeks ago, the customer has already put this great new vehicle to work. Check out these two Beta Enduro Italian motorcycles, not one but two in the back of this Maverick. So the customer went with an Area 51 hybrid for great fuel economy. He's going to work with it. He's going to be using the truck every day, so he needed some added protection and some style. So we have a Katzkin leather interior. Check out the install. We also added the Ford Maverick floor liners, the Ford Maverick tailgate letters, and some key areas of 3M paint protection film. For this Maverick, the customer has chosen the new Bahama Blue. It's Bahama Blue wings, Bahama Blue all stitch and piping, and that's a lunar gray. This Katzkin interior looks great with this Area 51 Ford Maverick hybrid. So there you have it. That was the Katzkin leather interior you saw in the brand new 2022 Maverick. What a smash hit. We've added the floor liners from Ford, these tailgate letters from Ford, as well as the 3M paint protection film on both the hood and the rocker panels. So once again, I want to thank you for watching. If you're looking for a new Ford or Lincoln, please come and see us at Blackstock Ford Lincoln, Highway 9 in Orangeville. Or if you have any make and model and you want to customize your vehicle, hit up our mod shop, Bad Dog Mods, 670 Rydell Road, and that's baddogmods.com. Thank you for watching.